In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Trello Premium. We'll walk through the exact path in Trello and make sure you understand what you're seeing on each screen so there are no surprises. Start by opening Trello in your web browser and signing into the account you want to upgrade. Once you're in, look for your workspaces. Trello Premium is applied at the workspace level, so pick the workspace you actually want to upgrade, especially if you manage more than one. This ensures you're upgrading the right place where your boards and team members live. Inside that workspace, head to the Settings area and open the Billing section. This is where Trello shows available plans and payment options for the selected workspace. You'll likely see multiple plan tiles or tabs. Standard often appears by default, and it's helpful for comparison, so take a moment to glance at what it includes. This quick look helps you confirm that the features you're after, like advanced views, timelines, dashboards, and more robust admin controls, are part of the premium plan. Next, switch to Trello Premium. On this screen, review any plan details such as included features and the billing cadence options like monthly or annual. Remember, Trello typically bills per member in the workspace, so double check the seat count or member list to make sure it reflects who should be included. It's a good idea to remove anyone who no longer needs access before you proceed. Now it's time to enter your payment details. In the card number field, type your credit or debit card number exactly as it appears. Be sure you're on a secure connection in your browser. Then enter the card's expiration date in the format shown on the page. After that, add the CVV or security code, which is usually 3 digits on the back of your card or 4 digits on the front for some cards. Select your billing country from the country dropdown so taxes and currency are calculated correctly. Finally, enter your zip or postal code to match the card's billing address. Accurate billing information reduces the chance of a declined charge or verification issue. With those fields complete, you're set to finalize the upgrade right there on the billing page. Once processed, your workspace will have access to premium features immediately, and you can start exploring advanced views, automation enhancements, and better reporting. If you manage a team, let members know about any new capabilities so they can take full advantage from day one. And that's it. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Trello Premium workspace.